I get stuck right there. Gas stove over here. Bathroom would be right there. Living room would be right here. Good sized living room. Interior. So it looks like east for the interior living room and bedroom window. Queen size bedroom with a closet. An overhead. With a little nook there for a dresser. Another closet out here, another closet over there, and then your second bedroom over here, queen size also, with a closet, and overhead storage, facing west over McCombs. So you get sunset out this window. Not bad. It's just 3 flights up and a walk up, but great space for the price.